Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle an error that can show up when you're trying to install Laravel, specifically the Missing Fileinfo Extension issue. If you've ever tried to install Laravel and run into a problem where Composer fails with an error like this, League Fly System requires ext fileinfo asterisk. It is missing from your system. You're not alone. Don't worry, because in this video, we'll walk through exactly how to fix this and get your Laravel project running smoothly. So if you're ready to solve this problem, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive right in. The error you're encountering indicates that the Fileinfo extension is missing from your PHP installation. The League Fly System package, which is required by Laravel, depends on this extension for file type detection. To fix this issue, you can follow these steps. Locate your php.ini file. The error message mentions the php.ini file path. This is where you need to enable the extension. Open the php.ini file in a text editor, for example, Notepad or Visual Studio Code. Look for the line that mentions extension =fileinfo. It might be commented out with A at the beginning of the line. Uncomment the line by removing the, for example, extension =fileinfo. Save the php.ini file. After uncommenting the line in your php.ini file to enable the fileinfo extension, you can try creating your new Laravel project again. Try creating the Laravel project again. Laravel new project name. If the Fileinfo extension is successfully enabled, the installation should work without any issues. That's it! We fixed the issue with missing extensions while installing Laravel. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.